Welcome to the Java class. In this video, I will discuss the example on Java list. In last video, I have discussed about the list. The list in Java provides the facility to maintain the ordered collection. It contains the index-based method that, with help of the methods, we can insert, delete, and update the elements. Okay. It can also duplicate values, and it can have a empty list. Okay. It can also have a null values. So in this video I will discuss the example on Java list. Okay, so let's move to the workstation notepad. Okay, so we'll just close the previous one. Okay, so here I will create a class that is class sorry class class list example. Okay, so I am implementing the list interface. So list interface available in util package. I will just import the util package. Import Java dot. So I want to access all elements, all contents from util package. Just I will use start. Okay. So here import Java dot util class. I have created the class that is list example. I will make it class public. Anyone can access my class. So first I have imported the package that is util, because this whatever I am accessing about the interface list, that will be available in the util package. Okay, I am using a star here because I want to access all classes and methods which is available in util package, which are available in util package. So if you want access only a particular class, just mention the class name in front of the util. Okay, so I have created the class that is the list example. So inside the list example, I will create a main method. How to create the main method in Java? Public static void string args. Okay, main method has open brace and okay. So here I will create a list interface. I want to create a list of type strings. I want to store string type of values into a list. I want to store string type of elements into a list. Okay, I will just pass the data type as a string. I want to store string type of elements into a list. So my list name is L1. Okay, so new array list. Here notice it. So list is interface. We cannot create the object of the list. Okay, so instead of that, I am creating the object of the arraylist class. Okay, with help of the new code, and I am storing the object into a L1, which is the variable of the list interface. So first, I have created the variable of the list interface, and I am storing the object of the array list inside the L1. Okay, so remember, we cannot create the object of the list interface. Okay, so here remember, so this is everyone thinks that this is L1 is object. It's wrong. It is not an object. It holds the address. It is it holds the address of the object, but it is not an object. Okay, so here I have created the variable L1 of list interface, and L1 holds the address of the object of the array list class. So in simple manner, I will show you. I will tell you. So L1 holds the address of the object of array list class. Okay. So next is I I will add the elements into a list. So how to add the element? L1 dot add element. Okay. So I am passing the string type of values. Okay. So here because I want to store the string type of elements, so I am passing the string values. Passing the string values. Okay. So here I have added mango into a L1 list. So I have created the list here. I have added the mango into a L1 with help of this add method. Okay. Next is I will add another one, that is L1 dot add. I will add apple. I will add apple. So with help of the apple, with help of the add method, I am adding apple into a list. So next is I will add one more element, that is banana. L1 dot add. Right. I will add one more element, that is grapes. Grapes. Okay. So I will add one more element, that is what? We will add one more, that is pineapple. So I will add one more, that is L1 dot add. I will add orange. So I have added elements into a list with help of the add method. Okay. So how to add the elements? First, just to create the list with help of the list interface. First, you can create the variable of the list interface, and inside the variable of list, you can add the address of the object. The object of the object means what? The object of a list class. Okay. Store the object of the list class into a element variable. Okay. So next, what I will do is I will just print this all elements of list with help of the for each loop. Okay. So here for string. So these are of type string. String. So I will create the object of the string class, that is yes, and I will add the elements one by one into this string variable. Okay. So what I am doing is here I have created the variable of string yes, and I am adding the element one by one into this string variable. Okay. I will just print the value of the variable s, that is elements. System dot out of println. I will just print yes. Okay, so this is about how to add the elements and how to display the elements of the list. So here one more thing, in list is interface. The interface statement, there is only declaration. Implementation will be done in the respective classes. Okay, so list interface implemented classes is array list. So in list interface there is only declaration, and implementation will be done in array list class. Okay, so just I will save the program. Okay, so my class name is list example. Okay, I will just save the program. Go to command prompt. So my file is available in eDrive. Just I will change to go to eDrive. So inside the iter I have a folder that is Java listing the directory with help of the cd command. Cd Java C. So here my class name is my file name is list example.java. So list example dot java. Okay, I am getting here that is here. So here is 11. I have mentioned here list. We just save the program and recompile it. Okay, how to compile the program? Java C file name that is list example.java. So again I am getting error, that is I have made mistake in spelling. Okay, recompile it. So here is I forgot to pass here type that is string. Okay, so just I will save the program. I will open command type inside the primary folder that is how to combine the program Java C list example dot. Okay, successful compile. Also run the program Java list example. So this is a list which is displaying here. The item is first item is mango, second is apple, third one banana, fourth one is grapes, fifth one is pineapple, sixth one is pineapple, sixth one orange. So this is for the list in Java. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.